Buying a shirt.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine. I'm looking at this shirt.
Do you like this design?
Yes, I like the blue one.
What size do you wear?
I usually wear size medium.
Do you want to try it on?
Yes, I'd like to try it.
Let me show you the changing room.
Thank you, that's helpful.
Do you like how it looks?
It's nice, but I prefer shorter sleeves.
Sure, I will bring you another style.
Thanks. Oh, this shirt looks better.
Does it feel comfortable?
Yes, the fabric feels very soft.
Will you buy this shirt today?
Yes, I think I will take it.
Great choice. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please, that would be good.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Shirt. A piece of clothing worn on the upper body. Sleeve. The part of clothing that covers the arm. Fabric. Material used to make clothes. Your listening question is: what kind of sleeves does the man prefer? Answer: he prefers shorter sleeves. Find jeans.
Hello, can I help you today?
Yes, I'm looking for jeans.
What color do you prefer?
I like dark blue.
What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear size 32.
Do you want slim fit or regular?
I prefer regular fit jeans.
Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please show me the room.
How do they fit?
They fit well, very comfortable. I think I can buy more.
Do you want another color too?
Yes, maybe black would be nice.
This pair is also very popular.
Great, I will take both.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please, thank you.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Jeans. Strong trousers usually made of denim. Slim fit. Clothes that are narrow and close to the body. Regular fit. Clothes that are standard and not too tight. Your listening question is: what color jeans does the customer like? Answer: he likes dark blue, and maybe black as well. Winter coats.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our store.
Hi, I need a warm jacket.
Do you like long or short jackets?
I prefer long jackets for winter.
What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear size large.
Do you like this black one?
Yes, it looks stylish.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, I want to check the size.
How does it feel?
It feels warm and comfortable.
Do you want to see another color?
Yes, maybe in gray.
Here is the gray one.
Oh, this looks even better.
Will you buy this jacket today?
Yes, I'll take the gray one.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Jacket. A short coat worn to keep warm. Stylish. Fashionable and looking attractive. Comfortable. Pleasant to wear, not tight or hard. Your listening question is: which jacket does the customer decide to buy? Answer: she decides to buy the gray one. New cap.
Hello, are you looking for a hat?
Yes, I want a new cap.
What color do you prefer?
I like black caps.
Do you want plain or with logo?
Plain, no logo please.
Do you want to try on this one?
This one is a little large for me, sorry.
Try this one, it should fit.
Yes, it fits perfectly.
Do you like the style?
Yes, it looks simple and nice.
Do you wear caps often?
Yes, almost every day.
Are you happy with this one?
Yes, I'll take it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Cap. A type of soft, flat hat with a curved peak. Logo. A design or symbol used by a brand. Fit. To be the right size or shape. Your listening question is: what color cap does the man prefer? Answer: he prefers a black cap. Sneaker shop.
Welcome. Are you looking for shoes?
Yes, I want running shoes.
What size do you wear?
I wear size 42.
Do you prefer light or dark colors?
I like white shoes.
Do you run every day?
Yes, almost every morning.
Then you need strong shoes.
Yes, I want something very durable.
Try this pair, very comfortable.
Okay, I'll try them.
How do they feel?
They feel soft and light. I like them.
Don't you want to try some more pears?
No need. I will take these.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Running shoes. Shoes made for exercise and running. Durable. Strong and able to last a long time. Pair. Two things of the same type, like shoes. Your listening question is: what color shoes does the customer prefer? Answer: he prefers white shoes. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.